This is Forte. As you can see that on this chart, on this daily chart of CARG, there's a lot of stuff that I drew rectangles, couple lines there. That's because I'm re-recording this video because I couldn't do math and I screwed everything up. Alright, so we're gonna redo it. Hi guys, it's Forte. Haven't seen you guys in 3 weeks. The stock I want to trade today is, or I want to talk about is CARG, right? By the way, this video is good for swing trading. I think the chart is good enough for long term and even day trading as well for next week. You just have to see when it breaks a certain level, right? We can see that CARG, the stock is on the 20-day and a 50-day rising moving average with a black line. That's a 200-day moving average flying out, and we're holding above it, right? And we can see that the stock also made a huge move on May 7th on the huge volume at the bottom, right? And it consolidated really tightly in this range with relative low volume relative to when it was going up. So I think this stock has a potential to move all the way up to even, you never know. We don't know how far it can move, but potentially right here, the least level of resistance all the way to $36, right? Now I want to get involved in this stock. Now let's take a look at it on the 30-minute chart. By the way, if this video is too fast, please slow it down, pause, whatever, you know. I do stuff really fast. I don't like to waste time. By the way, check the description for stuff. And check the description for I made a new Twitter, so I upload, I tweet my new swing ideas throughout the week. Please follow. I made it for stocks specifically. And then also the Discord chat room, free. So we can see on the 30-minute chart that the stock has been consolidating on this tight range. This range right here, as demonstrated on the daily chart, is this area right here, right? And I believe that as we do break above this area, right, we will see a potential move getting higher because this is technically a breakout. I'm not a big fan of trading this. So what I like to do is get in before everybody else. And what I like to do right now is while we get to see the general idea on the 30-minute chart, right here. We can see this. That's the 30-minute chart. And now we drill down to the 15-minute chart to find an entry where, we can actually get in, I think, before the breakout happens. So up to $28, $29. That's where the breakout actually happens. We can actually get in above Friday's afternoon high. I think that's good enough for swing trading. This is swing trading only. If you're day trading, I do recommend it breaks above this area for a higher volatility move, right? Which could happen Monday, Tuesday, I don't know. I'm not that perfect at timing it, right? And I think that, am I recording right now? Double check. Yes, I am. Oh my God. Double check. So basically we want to get above this area of 28.45. Now I said 28.45. You know what you have to do. You're gonna have to take out your pen and your fucking notebook and start taking notes and write it down. Okay. I'm also going to talk a little bit about risk in this video, not just swing idea. So we want to get involved in 28.45, right? And then where do I recommend a stop? I recommend a stop all the way over here, right? It made on 19th, $27. $27 for the stock. So your risk size is $28.45 minus $27. So that's $1.45. And that's, I think, good for a swing trade. And if you want to day trade it, I recommend it get above the $29. When it catches some volatility, you can maybe day trade that, up to you. You do whatever works for you. Potential target, $36. Now I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about people like to talk about fundamentals. I'm going to spend a little bit of time on fundamentals. Not really fundamentals, but just, common sense. I don't know if it's common sense that everybody knows that used cars has been just going up crazy, because I'm into cars. So I look at these time to time, and used car year to date, right? The index is up. It's up like 30%. Now imagine telling me year to date, right? SPY is up 30%. That's crazy. That's obnoxious, right? So individual cars are actually even up even more. And what does that do? Is that directly correlated with the price of the stock? Well, yes, it is. That just means more traffic is going to be happening on this website, Car Gurus, where people want to buy used cars. Why do so many people want to buy used cars? Well, that's a whole different topic. Stimulus check, people getting money. That's a whole new topic where you can go do your own research on. This is why when I present an idea, I don't want you guys to just copy it, right? Do your own fundamental research, do your own technical. If you like the trade, take the trade. If you don't like the trade, don't take the trade. I don't force stuff on anybody. So next thing I want to talk about, this is for people that's, if that's all you want from this video, the swing idea, go ahead and click you can exit already. Next, what I want to talk about is more on the educational side to help people in my Discord. I have a lot of beginning traders in my Discord for free. By the way, check the description for the link, and also follow me on Twitter. I also, post a lot more ideas throughout the week if I feel like it. I do it for free, so whenever I feel like it, I do it, right? And this will be the next 5 minutes will be dedicated to my people in my Discord, and it's gonna be a PowerPoint, PPT, PPTs, yeah. Okay, guys, it's Forte. Nice. By the way, this video is one take. I actually messed it up last take, so I'm re-recording it, and I don't like to edit. I have someone that can edit videos for me, but I don't want to give too much pressure to that person. So I'm gonna do it by myself, re-recording it, everything one take. Advanced risk management. Not really. I think it's common sense, but I feel like common sense ain't so common nowadays. So I want to talk about it. Well, I want to talk about risk. What is risk, right? Risk is entry minus stop. That's your risk dollar. So let's, for example, okay, just for this sake, CARG, CARG gurus, instead of entering at $28.45, let's say we're entering at $28 with a stop at $27. Make everything easy. Our risk is $1, right? Our risk is $1. Now let's say I am willing to risk $1,000 on it. Then I'm gonna have to buy 1,000 shares of CARG. Boom! Now we have 1,000 shares. Okay. Now CARG, this is all imagination. Okay. We don't never know what a stock could do. CARG went up $30 from 28 from where we entered, so we're up $2. What does that mean? That means your P&L is gonna show that you have made $2,000 gain. Now the potential target we have is $36, right? 8 to 1 sounds really delicious. And let me tell you the hard truth of trading. You almost never get the full R to R ratio. Like let's say the reward is 8 to 1. You could, if the stock goes more beyond $36, but if the stock were to hit $36 and that's the highest it can go, we will never, well, you could, I will never make 8 to 1. I'm max 6 to 1. It's good for me. I like it. 8 to 1 is almost never, and let me tell you why. Like I said, every single plan, every single strategy, every single rule of thumb, every single thing you do has flaws, right? We gotta accept that. And if this video, let's say, gets I'm gonna show you guys a quick rule of thumb for you guys to keep in mind. It's not like a strict rule. I'm not gonna give you guys a plan or strategy because it wouldn't make sense to give anybody a plan or strategy. If you watch a video and a video tells you a plan or strategy they use and you just copy it, I'm sorry, you're never gonna be a good trader. You're never gonna be a trader in the first place if you do that. Okay. Number one, you know why? Because let's say we have 1,000 viewers, we have 1,000 good traders that watches my video. There is going to be 1,000 different ways to trade this one stock, even though it's the same stock, right? So let's say go back to our original situation. We're up $2 from 28 from our entry, basically. Type it out so nobody gets confused. P&L shows 2,000. Our stop is still at $27. Now what happens if CARG came all the way down to $27 after we're already up $2, after we're up $2,000? CARG came all the way down to 27, kick you out. What's the reality? You lost $1,000 from your account, right? It's fine. It's fine. Reality is fine. It's fine if that happens. That happens to all of us, right? Let me tell you the truth. That's not the case. Okay? That's not actually what happens. You actually lost $3,000. You risked when CARG went up to $30 and your P&L shows $3,000. You're currently not risking $1,000 anymore. You're risking $3,000. Now the quick rule of thumb, I guess I'll give everybody, since I don't think it's like what you do, what I do is that's the important, that's a secret strategy, whatever, like everybody does it differently. But the quick rule of thumb is that if you're risking $1,000 and your stock, your P&L shows that you're up $3,000, try your best. Whatever you do, you can sell some, you can move stop up. You can do that together. You can do it however the way you want to. Try your best to maintain your risk within that 1,000. Okay, including the P&L. Right. So this is not even real life, but let's say quick example. Let's say that the you lost 1,500. That's I don't know what that was. That was a math problem, technical mistake. Just say that CARG went up to $29. Now your P&L is $1,000 in the green, right? Now the best that you can now your stop is still if your stop is still at 27, then you're risking $2,000. What you can do is move your stop to entry 28 to move stop to $28. Now your P&L is still 1,000, and your risk now instead of risking 2,000 or 1,000, your risk becomes 0. That is not a plan. That is a people maybe YouTubers they tell you that's the plan they use or whatever, move to break even, blah blah blah. That is simply a quick rule of thumb. I don't know why whenever I say rule of thumb, I keep pointing my thumb out like a dumbass. But you get the idea, right? But yeah, and how do you want to develop your strategy? Well, that's up to you. You know, good fucking luck. Spend 2 years, 1 year, I don't know. Took me a while. Pick out what works best for you. We're all different. There's a reason why I said 1,000 viewers, 1,000 different ways to trade a stock. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please subscribe. Please like the video and comment. You know, click on the bell if you want to. You know, follow me on Twitter. Use the description Twitter account. I made a new one over the weekend, literally just for stock. So I hope I don't have too much noise because I shitpost way too much on my main Twitter. You know, I'm a young teenager. Look at me. I'm 24. Still a teenager though. You know, still a kid. And join my Discord. Say hi to me. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments in the comments section. And I hope everybody have a good 3-day weekend. Enjoy Memorial Monday. Enjoy your 3-day weekend. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys.